Hello guys, welcome to English Story channel. The name of this story is Fate or Random Chance. Part 1. It was the summer of 2001 in a small rural town in northern England when something very remarkable happened. On this day, Laura Buxton was at a party for her grandparents' golden wedding anniversary. Laura seemed to be just an average girl from an average rural town, but something very strange happened that day. She decided to do something silly. She got a red balloon and wrote, "Please return to Laura Buxton" on one side and her address on the other side. Laura and her friends just thought they were being silly. They thought the balloon would float just a little way down the road and fall to the ground, but it didn't just go down the road. It floated all the way out of town, into the next town, then further to the next town, and on until it floated to the other side of the country. By the time it finally floated back down, the balloon was 232 kilometers away in the south of England. It landed in a tree between two houses. A neighbor picked it up and was about to throw it into the trash when he saw the address and message written on the balloon. Laura Buxton, oh my God, he thought. The little girl who lived next door to him was also named Laura Buxton. He gave the balloon to South England Laura, and she decided to contact the other Laura Buxton in North England. North England Laura and South England Laura talked on the phone, and to their surprise, they not only had the same name, but they were also 10 years old. The day they decided to meet, the coincidences got even stranger. They both were wearing the same clothes, a pink jacket and blue jeans. They both were skinny and tall. They both had brown hair in pigtails. They both had 3-year-old Labradors, rabbits, and guinea pigs. North England Laura brought her guinea pig with her on the day they met, and they looked exactly the same. Both guinea pigs were gray with orange spots on their butts. North England Laura and South England Laura are now 18 and they have become good friends. They both think that it wasn't random chance or luck that brought them together, but fate. Saitama Yamaguchi was born long before the two Lauras, but he also felt that fate and guided his life. Yamaguchi worked for a company called Mitsubishi in Nagasaki, Japan during World War II. In May of 1945, he went to Hiroshima on a 3-month business trip. Yamaguchi finished his business on August 5th. He was getting ready to leave Hiroshima early the next morning. He was on his way to the train station when he remembered that he forgot something at his Hiroshima office. He turned around and went back to get it. At 8:45 in the morning on August 6, the first atomic bomb in history fell on Hiroshima. Yamaguchi was on his way to the train station for the second time when the bomb fell. The bomb was only 3 kilometers away. He saw a big flash in the sky and heard a very loud noise. The power of the bomb knocked him down. Suddenly, he couldn't see and his ears were badly hurt. He was also badly burned on the left side on his body. He couldn't walk, so he crawled to a shelter. The next day, on August 7th, he traveled 300 kilometers home to Nagasaki. Okay guys, this is the first part of the story. Please don't forget click subscribe. I hope you enjoy it. See you in next story. Bye.